In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy canvas on Snapfish. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in snapfish.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Snapfish. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to buy the canvas, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on this option canvas that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the canvases that you'll be able to buy. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the type of the canvas that you would like to buy. Now after you do that, you'll have to select the canvas print over here. You'll be able to apply various filters. Simply click on the option of your choice, or you can also design your own if you want. Now after this filter is applied, what you have to do is scroll down. Now you'll be able to see the canvases over here. Click on the canvas that you would like to buy. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the detail regarding this particular canvas over here. So if you would like to customize it, click on this option create now that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to design your own canvas. What you have to do is simply select the photo to be uploaded in the canvas. So for that, you'll be able to find various options for uploading the photos. You can simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option previously selected. Now you'll be able to see all of your previously selected photos over here. Click on the photo that you would like to use. You can also adjust other settings if you want. Now after you do that, click on this option review and buy that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to buy the canvas. Simply select the size and click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the 360 view of this canvas. You'll be able to select the quantity, click on the field of quantity and write in the quantity over here. Right over here you'll be able to see your total. Now you'll also be able to select the frame color over here. Click on the option of your choice and click on this option add to cart that you can see on the screen. Now you can review your product over here. You can go back to the edit or you can also order anyway. Click on the option of your choice. I'm just going to order it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the cart interface of Snapfish. Now you can see your cart over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see the delivery options. You'll be able to find various delivery options over here. What you have to do is click on the delivery option of your choice. You can either check out with PayPal or you can do the normal checkout. Click on the option of your choice. Here I've selected the option for checkout. Now in the checkout interface, what you have to do is select your payment method. You'll be able to find various payment methods like Visa, PayPal and Afterpay. Click on the payment method of your choice. If you selected this option for Visa, MasterCard etc., click on this option add credit card or debit card. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter the card details over here. First of all, enter the name on card. After you do that, also enter the card number over here. Likewise, enter the expiration date and security code. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for use my shipping address as billing address. Simply check on this option, or if you would like to use a different address, check on this option, use a different address and enter another address. Now after you do that, click on this option add card that you can see on the screen. Now if the card informations are correct, this card will be added and it will be used to pay. After the transaction is completed, your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive your order. So that is how you buy canvas on Snapfish. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.